Oh, don't mind me. We're just modeling these brand new windbreakers that you guys should snag. So we got two versions of the windbreaker. Cody's rocking the black with the hood. Show him that hood. If you want to get the hood game going, you know what I'm saying? Or if you want to be classy on the mountain, we got the collar version, the blue with gold. Ooh. Basically, these things are sick, and it is so hot this season, we're not getting any snow. So get a windbreaker, come out here, be comfortable on the mountain, but still waterproof, and you could still slide down on your back or your dolphin slide, whatever you're into, you know what I'm saying? But we're at Copper Mountain. It's going to be an incredible day today. We got we got the whole crew. We got Cody, we got Chris, we got Benton, and then we have a jump. So we're gonna go test out their jump today, ride it. Copper's been pretty icy, so hopefully the conditions are a little better, but I doubt it because we haven't got any new snow. But overall, let's just do the thing where we get to the, you know, like the let's see how icy Copper is today. It's really not that bad. I think it's because it's just super warm.
So much better than it's ever been this season.
So Benton has this ability to look at a jump and immediately know the speed. He said straight.
2 setup carbs.
2 setup turns.
That's it.
With a little bit of full send.
You want me to follow Benton and stop for you?
Yeah, let's do that for this one. Oh, where'd he go? You guys won't believe what I found back there. It's the subscribe button. Make sure you click that.
Do a cool trick.
Do a trick?
Hello.
Hello, 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 boy.
Hi.
Yeah, you just hit the jump. Oh, that was neat. Woo, I'm stoked on that one. Well, there was a line on the jump. This park is so much more friendly now that the snow is not a complete ice sheet. I'm having a blast in there, hitting the creeper, hitting the jump. We might get away from the jump though if the line is as busy as it was the last time we rolled up on it. Get more hits on some rails and things. Overall, jumps are feeling good. The rails are feeling good. The Merc is feeling good. Are you feeling good?
Cody's feeling good.
So smash the like and let's go. TJ did a nose press. Should I try a nose press on this board?
On the first one?
Yeah. I didn't strap my binding.
Oh, really?
My front binding, I didn't strap it. We're not riding insane in this section, even though like the snow's finally good, you can kind of rip it here at Copper. But after the ski dock got smoked, the vibe on like snowboarding fast is just kind of like, it's not there. Let's hit that jump. By far my favorite feature is that little wall thing. That feature in that park is almost as good as today's sticker shout out. We got Chris James Disco with the gold Evolution sticker on the helmet. Looking absolutely insane, man. Thank you so much for snagging an Evolution sticker. As well as we got Robert Rogers with the Park Evolution sticker, which is, we're riding the park, so that makes sense. So all the park riders out there, we got a park version of the Evolution sticker. But guys, if you want an Evolution sticker, and skiers, we have a ski version. They're all linked in the description, as well as, you know, the jackets, and then the hoodies, t-shirts, the long sleeves, guys. And if you guys are snagging the merch, you're truly supporting the dream. It's how I do this for a living, as well as how we're going to travel to all these cool things and do all this fun stuff this season. So thank you so much to everyone that's been snagging the merch. You're literally changing our lives, which thank you so much. And if you do snag the merch though, just make sure you tag me on my Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. And I'm not getting enough sticker shout outs, guys. What's up with that? Come on, tag me, throw it on Instagram, and then also follow the TikTok for bonus extra content, and the Instagram for just follow the other platforms. We're making literally other stuff. Like Cody makes like what, 3 or 4,000
million stickers?
No.
Oh.
Short form content.
Oh yeah, I do those too.
Yeah, and a lot of stickers.
Ticky-tacky.
Yeah, anyways, that's why we have Cody. Cody's working with us this season, so let's go. No, like literally, let's go ride. I'm gonna do a backside shifty. He always goes uncomfortably big and that it makes me hurt. It's so awkward.
It was good the other day.
Sorry, Cody.
No, we're good.
Coming in, switch. There's a skier on the loose without a brake. Hey man, it looks like you need a brake. Sorry. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Brennan.
Nice to meet you, man.
Chris James, Disco, dropping in, front 3. Oh!
Woohoo! Yeah, Chris. Oh, we should have boxed it up instead.
Coulda, shoulda, woulda, probably not good.
Coulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda, 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 woulda.
That was clean.
I was trying to do something goofy because it's so poppy. What do we normally talk about on this channel? I feel like we're not talking about anything today.
Snowboarding.
I guess we're snowboarding. Yeah, guys, have fun when you snowboard. A lot of people don't. Make sure you do. That's today's tip of the day.
Topic.
Yeah, I don't know. We're just kind of here.
We're just kind of riding.
That's for you, Benton. I didn't find the subscribe button back there that time, so good job, guys. You clicked it. Yeah, I really want to dial it in. I hate that it's now in the shade. Something I'm noticing about this snowboard is that it makes me want to be on an edge more. I don't think it's the best flat base board, so when you land, you're like, oh, I'm gonna immediately get to an edge. Kind of cool. I feel like I can't hear anything at Copper. Like the talking between, because there's still the ice underneath. Woo! Getting so bad. Alright guys, so now I gotta film, so I've been filming a TV segment, and I've only talked about this once on Facebook, and I wrote the post when I was literally sleeping. and it made no sense. It was just all gibberish. So the show is on Mountain TV in Denver on channel 21.8, but there's also a website you can watch it like on the website. So I'll have that link below, and you guys can kind of see this like TV thing that I'm doing. It's like a segment covering Summit County. It's kind of cool. It's fun. It's something different. We're doing more. What's up, Mountain TV? Johnathan Buckhouse here, local Summit County snowboarder. Switch. Can you film that cat real quick?
Yeah.
It's a good B-roll shot.
Oh, I'm filming myself.
I feel like for the vlog, we just haven't said much. Benton left us. He just left. See you, Benton. We rode TJ for a second. TJ's cool. We rode a lot. It was feeling good. The method felt good.
So much better.
The snow feels way better, Copper. Makes me not afraid to come. But Keystone Park is fire right now. So this is my physical therapy day. So my legs become jello a lot quicker. Basically what I'm saying is this one's chipmunk. There we go. Sorry, Cody. You're good.
The Buckhouse, man.
How you doing?
What is that? I saw the stickers.
So we have Andrew Gus here. He's a two-planker. We don't discriminate.
Nope, don't discriminate.
He wants to throw a backie on this big jump. So I'm going to throw a back three. Give me a second. Cody will stop.
All right.
And you be safe.
There we go, dude. Let's throw it down. Yo!
Dude, Team Buckhouse for sure. Let's go.
That was so sick. That was so sick.
Yeah.
Happy I could do it on film.
Yeah, dude.
My favorite snowboard channel.
Dude,
my
you're
favorite
the man.
snow channel. Dude.
Heck yeah, dude.
What a way to start off the Colorado
We'll
season.
see you all
dude.
season. Keep going
Dude,
at it.
Awesome. Well, hey, thank you. I really appreciate the hype right there. One more time, and we're going to take it to our feet.
Yeah,
right
to the
there,
feet.
guys.
We'll get it next
Got
time
it.
on the feet. Coming in. Oh, I got nervous from that skier, so the last hit on my favorite thing was, that's okay. Alright guys, that was Chipmunk. Today was sick. Shout out to Cody. He's not only my filmer, but he helps with literally everything I need help with, so Cody's the man. And what Cody does is after we're done ripping, like, I gotta go hang out with Bristol and Roman. There's still some time of the day. Cody's gonna get a couple more laps, which is super sick. So Cody's been progressing, which is exciting, and yeah, you'll see a lot of this dude this season. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. Thanks for watching. Snag a windbreaker, and as always, keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.